In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Slack with HubSpot in just 5 minutes. This integration is incredibly useful for enhancing your communication and ensuring that your team stays connected with all the goings-on in HubSpot directly through Slack. Let's dive right into the process. To start, you'll need to log in to your HubSpot account. Make sure you're using the correct login credentials to access all the necessary features. Once you're in HubSpot, it's time to prepare your files if needed, though the focus here is mostly on the integration setup, so you won't need any specific files. This will make it easier for you to seamlessly integrate Slack later on. Next, turn your attention to the Marketplace icon. It's typically located in the main navigation menu. Click on it, and from there, select App Marketplace. This is your gateway to accessing a variety of apps that can be integrated with HubSpot, enhancing its functionality. In the App Marketplace, you will want to use the search bar to look for Slack. Simply type in Slack, and you'll see the app appear in the search results. Once you've located the Slack app, click on it to open its details page. You'll see an Install App button in the top right corner. Click that button to proceed with the installation. By clicking Install App, you'll be redirected to Slack's web page. This step is crucial as it allows you to review the permissions required for the integration. It's important to carefully read these permissions to understand what data or access Slack will have within your HubSpot account. After reviewing and if satisfied with the conditions, authorize the integration by following the prompted steps. Once you authorize the integration on the Slack web page, you'll be rerouted back to HubSpot. This indicates a successful setup. As an added confirmation that everything went smoothly, you'll also receive an email from Slack. The email serves to confirm that the installation is complete and that Slack is now officially integrated with your HubSpot account. Now that the integration is in place, you can manage your notifications from within the Slack app on HubSpot. This is where you can adjust what kind of alerts you receive, thus ensuring that you're only getting the most pertinent updates when working within your Slack environment. With just these few steps, Slack and HubSpot are now working together seamlessly. This integration will foster better communication across your team, making it much easier to stay on top of all your tasks and updates. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips. See you next time.